It's Dad again with a new recipe for you. Today, we're gonna make grilled chicken breasts. And these are the ingredients. Chicken breast, ham, Italian dressing, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, lemon pepper. And the secret ingredient, Worcestershire sauce. So I'll give you a chance now to go out there and get all those ingredients. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna get a Ziploc bag. We're gonna put the chicken in there. This is boneless chicken breast. Next, we're gonna add about a cup of Italian dressing, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. And we're gonna shake it around. We'll go ahead and let that marinate for a few minutes. Then turn on the heat over here on this flat iron grill. Hey, welcome back. It's been about 8 or 10 minutes. The grill is nice and hot. It's starting to smoke. We're gonna put a little bit of Pam on it. Then we're just gonna go ahead and put chicken. We're gonna put them on this hot grill for about 1 minute on each side, and then we're going to lower it. Now we're gonna lower the heat all the way to low. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, lemon pepper, Worcestershire. The reason you want to keep it on low is so that the juices remain inside the chicken and they don't get dried out when you cook it too fast or too hot. And there you have it, grilled chicken breast.